Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool DIY project that lets you make different shapes out of foam, set the desired power and place the cutter horizontally. Then take a piece of foam measuring 10 by 10 by 10. Insert the foam so that it touches the stop, then start turning the handle. These are the kind of foam balls you can make with this homemade device. Now we change the cutter to a different shape and get other shapes. If you haven't seen how to make this homemade device, I'll put a link in the video description below. Now we've got a foam egg. And the last mode I have seems to me the most interesting one. You can make different shapes. It all depends on your imagination. Whatever shape you bend the nichrome wire into, that's what you'll get. And now we've got a mushroom. If you like this DIY project, give it a thumbs up. And again, if you want to know how to make this device, there's a link in the description below the video. Bye everyone!